Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the leftovers from the holiday sale we had. Not the holiday sale, the Labor Day sale we had before. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. They did raise the price on these lawnmowers. This Joby, $3.99, I believe. It used to be $2.59. These are the new tools from Joby. You guys haven't looked at them. Really nice tool. It's a compact, like a subcompact line, smaller than the regular. Brushless motors, so latest technology. You got some nice different tools there. That's a multi-material cut. A hacksaw there on the top. That's the multi-material cut there. $99, and then the hacksaw. I'm pretty sure that we'll see those sales, some of these on the holiday sales. Hopefully we'll get with the buy one get one free deal. You get some good, better prices on those. And yeah, we got some Halloween, a lot of Halloween decorations here. We got the Jack in the Box, the Reaper. We got some Milwaukee gloves here. Those are demolition, I believe. Really nice gloves. And the vacuum here, this is the Cordless Vacuum from Ridgid. It's the 18 volts, so it does take the regular 18 volt batteries. 99 bucks. We got the filter and 2 bags for 24, which is a better deal than just buying 2 filters. $99. Brushless tool combo kit with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, so getting a much bigger battery on these, so definitely a great deal if you want to start out. You got some gloves there. Yeah, always scared me there. Yeah, expecting unexpected. So yeah, we got some gloves. Then we have these. If you got an apartment, you got storage, like a shed on the back. You can put those locks in there. Yeah, this box was new to me. I never seen this box before, at least on the Home Depots that I've been to. It's a matte red with the black handles there. Really nice with the self-closing. 120 pound drawers. Like I said, really nice. I like the color, matte red. $7.98. Like I said, those you can use it for sheds or apartments. Those locks. Got some Diablo blades. 2-pack 4.5 diamond. Got some pruning blades from Diablo. Then you got the $99 deal with impact driver or drill driver with battery and a charger. And then you got the 2 batteries, I believe $169 for the 2 batteries. And then they usually have that. Oh yeah, that's the Pack-Out 2.0 or the Tough System 2.0. So it's on sale, $79, $60 for the medium, and $40 for the small one, which is really nice. It's a one-handed, pretty much operational Tough System. This is a buy one get one free. They still have some of these deals. So if you can find some of these deals still at your Home Depot, go ahead and get them, pick them up, look for them, because most of these Home Depots are already running low on these kits. Like you see there's not much left. The $179, it's gone. So there's a lot of stuff that's that you can still get. Just gotta look for it. You got the Makita deal. Still have a lot of Makitas left. You got the buy that kit, get the 2-amp-hour, and then you got the buy the other kit, the bigger kit, and you get the 5-amp-hour battery. They still have a few kits there at the bottom. Subcompact, the black ones. So really nice if you're into the Makita line. Got the DeWalt's save more, buy more, save more. So $175. If you buy $500, you could always stick one of those smaller kits. The drill bits kits, so you can pretty much, if you're at 180 or 480, you can pretty much stick 2 of those and get the $500 discount on that. And then you got free batteries. So you buy 1 tool or 1 kit, you can get a 5-amp-hour battery. If you buy 2, combination of 2, either 2 kits or 2 tools, you can get 2 6-amp-hour batteries. So really nice kit. kits. Especially, I believe the best ones are the fuel, so definitely recommend the fuel. Those are the 2.6s and the 1.5. $3.49, I think that's the better deal because it's the fuel. I personally have the brushless. It's a great tool, but fuel is gonna perform a lot better, last longer. You got $9.98 for those extension cords. They're running a special on those every Home Depot that I've been to. $59 in the clearance Ryobi drill kit. So then they got some Diablo blades there. Like I said, not all these prices are good. Some of these are just like, you know, they just move it to the clearance and just stick a yellow tag in there, same price. So $199 for those two batteries. They got some pants for $39. Some Milwaukee shirts for $19. I believe online they went on sale for like $12 or something like that. We haven't seen that anymore, so obviously it's just the $19. And then we got some Husky 42 piece for $79. And this is what's left over from the Milwaukee Labor Day deals. So still, we got these. If you guys need them, pick them up. If not, then always good to have an extra kit there laying around. We got some gloves, $12.97. I was just checking the bottom price. It seems like it's the same price. It's a 3 pair, really nice. You got some torch blades. Definitely recommend these blades for all types of metal. And then you got the rocket light there. Did you see that? Used to be free with the purchase of a kit, but they don't have those kits anymore. They're pretty much sold out. On this store, at least. I know I've been to some other stores that they still have some. I don't know how long the deal's gonna be, but you know, I always try to get the better deals. Great glasses there, safety glasses. I use them personally. They work great. There's the temperature gun there. If you got some workers, $6.97 for those hex. They got some Husky Tools. That's another clearance section that they have. A lot of faucets, you know, bathroom and kitchen faucets, showers. So if you guys are doing remodeling, or if you guys have apartments or, you know, houses for rent, you know, you guys always take a look here and save some money. You got the vacuums there. That's the Ryobi 169. So it's a compact stick vacuum there. And that's the Shark thing, the Shark vacuum. That's the Hoover Whole House. Yeah, Home Depot has a whole aisle of detergent and toilet paper, so that's new to me. $4.99. I believe that's the lowest price you can get it. If you go to Lowe's, it's $50 more. You got the Ryobi $3.99, $2.99. I believe it used to be cheaper. They raised the prices, so $2.59 was the price before on the push mower. $1.99 for the Black & Decker. Then we got some gas, and yeah, this is on sale for $169. It's an Eagle 15-inch string trimmer, so definitely pick it up because it's probably gonna go up in price once it hits Lowe's stores, and they're gonna clearance all these out. I believe the mowers, they're not gonna clearance those out. So, and just a short video for today, show you guys the update of what's left over from the Labor Day sale. Like I said, stay tuned if you guys want to keep up with all the sales that Home Depot has. I know there's going to be some more sales that they're going to have, you know, the buy one get one free. Hopefully we can have that by November or earlier than that. And like I said, stay tuned. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.